of learning is the first. Describe these basic principles of the development of technology. The second, identify the role of microorganisms in technology products. Definition of technology in general is a branch of science that studies the aspects of biological against living beings or their parts to produce goods and services on industrial scale to meet human needs. Based on the techniques, aspect technology can be developed into conventional, traditional biotechnology, modern biotechnology. Conventional, traditional biotechnology is biotechnology that directly utilizes microorganisms, plant and animal cells to produce. Traditional biotechnology applications cover various aspects of human life, namely aspects of food, livestock, agriculture and health. Children's examples of traditional biotechnology in the food sector are the first is tempeh, which is based on soybeans. Soybeans, what is a fermented product of rhizopus mushrooms. The second is tape, which is based on cassava or glutinous. Rice white is the fermentation product of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And the last one is soy salt, which is the basic ingredient of soybeans. Soybeans fermentation from Aspergillus mushrooms for the more children, namely in the field of animal husbandry, namely for example, the first is the result of a natural mutation that products and concept which are shaped white salt legs and choken legs. The second is Jersey Jew white can produce better milk and cream content the children wallflower are in the health sector, for example. Fitness are microorganisms whose toxins are killing and can be useful for increasing immunity, especially for bacteria and fungi that can be used for treatment. The next kids are modern biotechnology. Children of modern biotechnology is the process of converting certain organisms, cells and molecules for this relation to industrial and commercial purpose or based on DNA manipulation or engineering, which is done by modifying specific genes and transferring them to different organisms such as bacteria, plants and animals. And the technicals in modern biotechnology are the first is the recombinant genetic engineering. The second is hybridoma technology. The third is core transfer. Cloning. The fourth is if. And what follows is artificial insemination. Role of microorganisms in then the last one is culture and tissue culture. Role of microorganisms in biotechnology. The first is food sector. The fermentation process of an organism is habituating food and drink. The fermentation process is anaerobic enzymatic change from an organic compound into a simple organic product by freeing energy. Several types of microorganisms and food and beverage products are all follows role of microorganisms in biotechnology. The first is food sector. The fermentation process of an organism is able to change a food and drink. The fermentation process is an anaerobic enzymatic change from an organic compound into a simple organic product by freeing energy. Several types of microorganisms in food and beverage products are as follows. Good children, for our study today, I will see you next one. Please review rating that has been example because the next week there will be a quiz before going into the next material. Thank you.